because if you follow any of my social media, you'll know that I'm like completely obsessed with the book. I mean, I feel like I have not shut up about the book for, I mean, probably like the last year, but I know that I really haven't shut up about the book for like the last 3 months. My most favorite tomato soup recipe is the one that they serve at Northeastern Cafe, and that's what I based this one off of. It's kind of like a tomato basil soup, and like with a little bit of cream, but not a ton, so it's not super creamy. I'm gonna add the tomato paste in with my shallots. I don't remember if that's what I write in the recipe, but that's what I'm gonna do here because I do it a lot. All right, guys, I'm gonna blend up the soup. I don't like using virtual blenders, but what I don't like more is pouring this hot soup in a blender in front of all of you. I usually throw this in like my high-speed blender at home and just cover it carefully with a towel, blend it up to puree it, but I'm just gonna use this guy. So what's all in here? So we started with the toasted garlic with some butter. We added the shallot, and then you just started some cream. We did the diced tomatoes, we did tomato paste, basil, I think basil and oregano, salt, pepper, the sherry, the cooking sherry, that's what takes this like over the top for me. I knew that I wanted a really good grilled cheese to serve with this soup. This one is like a French onion soup grilled cheese.